Question number 7. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute or obtuse? Then right angle. Here sum of two angles how many degree angle? 180 degree angle. Both then can two angles be supplementary if both of them are? Then both of these two angles are acute angle or obtuse angle and right angle. Then first look to acute angle. Then if two angles are supplementary angle 180 degree, then if these two angles are acute angle, so we know acute angle are how many degree angle? Less than 90 degree angle. When we add these two acute angle, do you get 180 degree? Do you get 180 degree? You don't get not. So what is his answer? No. Because what is answer? Sum of two acute angles less than 180 degree. Then sum of two acute angles is less than 180 degree. Means one acute angle, how many degree angle? Less than 90 degree angles are called acute angle. When we add these two acute angles, we did not get 180 degree. So what is answer? No, because sum of two acute angles is less than 180 degree. The next obtuse angle. Second question. Obtuse. Then sum of two angles is 180 degree, means supplementary angle. If these two angles are obtuse angle means how many degree angle? Obtuse angle means more than 90 degree angles are called obtuse angle. When we add two obtuse angle, do you get 180 degree? We get no more than 180 degree. Not equal to 180 degree. So we can write no, because sum of two obtuse angles is more than 180 degree. The next third question. What is third question? Right angle. Right angle means how many degree angle? 90 degree angle. When we add two right angle, means 90 degree plus 90 degree, means we get how many degree angle? 180 degree angle. So we can write this answer. Yes, because sum of two right angles is equal to 180. The next question number 8. What is the question number 8? Look, an angle is greater than 45 degree. Is its complementary angle greater than 45 or equal to 45 or less than 45 degree? Then an angle is greater than 45 degree. Means its complementary angle is less than or equal to or more than 45 degree. What is its correct answer? Its correct answer is less than 45 degrees. So we can write it. An angle is greater than 45 degree. It's a complement angle less than 45. The next question number. Question number 9. Look, in an adjoining figure. Look here, figure is given here. Then angle 1 adjacent to angle 2. Angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. What is your answer? Your answer is yes or no? Then yes sir. Angle 1 is angle 2. What is its reason? Because which is angle 1 and 2 is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2. Yes, because they have a common vertex O and common arm. And non-common arm, where is lying? Non-common arm lies on either side of the common arm. Therefore, this angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. So we can write it because they have a common vertex, which is common vertex O, and common vertex common arm, which is the common arm. Common OC is the common arm, and non common arms lies on either side of non-common arms lies either side of common arm. The next, look, angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE. Angle AOC adjacent to angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE. Angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE. Look, this angle is adjacent to this angle. Look, they have a common vertex. And which is the common arm? This angle is common arm which look, this angle and this angle. Common arm OEA, common arm. This unknown common arms are lies either side of the common arm. No, look, which is the non-common arm? Here non-common arms OC and OA. Where is the lies? Side of this OE. So this adjacent AOC, adjacent AOE. No. adjacent to AOE. So we can write this answer first. Angle second, angle AOC is not adjacent to angle AOE. Look here, AOC is the part of AOE because you can write it AOC. Angle AOC is the part of angle AOE. And here look, these two angles have common vertex and common arm. The common vertex and common arms, but not common because AOC is the part of AOE, the two angles have a common vertex and common arm, but non-common arms are not on either side of common arm. The next third question, look, do COE and EOD form a linear pair? COE and DOE. These two angles are make a linear pair. Look, linear pair means they are adjacent angle and sum of these two angles how many degree? 180, and its opposite angle sides arms form a straight line. Look, here we can write question number 3. Angle COE and angle EOD. COE and EOD are form a linear pair because they are adjacent angle and non-common The next question look, are BOD and DOE supplementary? BOD and DOA. BOD and DOA. These two angle, angle 4 and angle 5 are supplementary. These angles are supplementary. Then, yes sir. Angles BOD and DOA. And angle DOA are these two angles are supplementary angles because sum of this angle is 180 degree angle. The next question, look, question number 5. Angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4. This angle 1 is vertically opposite to angle 4 because this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle. So, yes sir. Question number 5th, yes sir. Angle 1 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angles. Next question number 10. Look, indicate which pairs of angles are vertically opposite angle. Here, this question number first look. Here figures are given here. Which pairs of angles are vertically opposite angle? We will look at the figure and write its answer. Which are the vertically opposite angle here? Angle 4 and angle 1 is vertically opposite angle. The next angle 5 and angle, which angle? Angle 2 plus angle 3 are vertically opposite angle. Then next which are linear pair? Linear pair angle 5 and angle 4 and angle 5 are linear pair and angle 5 angle 1 and angle 5 are linear pair. Then first question. This is question number 10. It's the first question. Vertically opposite angle. Which angles are? Angle 1 and angle 4. The next angle 5 and angle 2 plus angle 3. Vertically opposite angle. Then second, which are linear pair? Look at the diagram and write which are linear pair. Linear pair here angle 4, angle 5. Then angle 1, angle 1 and angle 5 are linear pair. Then next question 11.